Hello, dear friends, welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. Today, I would like to tell you one simple thing, and please put it in your mind those students who are studying in Calcutta University. Please do not panic, don't worry, পরীক্ষা পদ্ধতি নিয়ে অযথা ভয় পাবেন না। কেন ভয় পাবেন না? এর পেছনে অনেকগুলো কারণ আছে। সেই কারণগুলো আপনাদের সাথে ডিসকাস করব। সুতরাং এই চ্যানেলটিকে আপনারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন যদি ভালো লাগে এবং দেখতে থাকুন। প্রথমে যে জিনিসটা বলতে চাই, মিনস দ্য ফার্স্ট থিং ইজ দ্যাট you have to complete the entire examination. Since all of you have got your examination dates, so you have to complete it within 2 hours. Very good. And you have to submit the answer script in the later part within 30 minutes. That has been told. So that is the thing on which you all are panicking, that how I am going to submit the answer script within 30 minutes if my internet is slow, or if I do not have any proper smartphone. I don't think that is in that case you have to submit it. What form will be there? So these are the questions which are there in your mind. So এখানে যেটা পরিষ্কার করে বলা রয়েছে, ক্লিয়ার কাট, ইট ইজ মেনশন ওভার হিয়ার দ্যাট before the examination starts, 30 to 45 minutes, university CU will send the question papers to the respective principals of different colleges. Fine. Second, what they said, the examination will be of 2 hours duration, will start from 12 p.m. onwards and will end at 2 p.m. Very fine. And you need to submit, or you will get more 30 minutes more. That means 2:30 p.m. Within 2:30 p.m. you have to submit the answer script, both for PG and UG. And in this regard, one more thing, that multiple choice questions will not be there. So the questions will be in conventional pattern, and you have to write it, and you have to submit it in A4 size paper. So in the later part I'll discuss this, but there is one important thing which has clearly mentioned: if any examinee will not be able to submit the answer script on time, then the university will take the responsibility, and if required, the university will collect the answer scripts from the respective students. So you need not to worry about it. Now, this is what the examination is talking about, right? So this is the notification. What you, if you visit cuexam.net, you will get it. Now, here the confusion arises with this all notification. This is the simple notification which put by Bongobashi College, and no other colleges have put in any kind of this kind of notice. কোনো কলেজ কিন্তু এরকম কোনো নোটিশ পুট করেনি, যদিও বঙ্গবাসী কলেজে একমাত্র এই কলেজ নোটিশটা দেওয়া হয়েছে। সেখানে কয়েকটা জিনিস খুব ক্লিয়ারলি মেনশন করা হয়েছে যে here the questions for each paper module in different subjects would be available from the shared Google Drive uploaded in the college website sorry, at least 15 minutes before the commencement of the said examination on specified dates, that can be obtained from the university site. So here my suggestion to you is that if you do not have a smartphone, please borrow it from someone else, maybe from friend or whoever it is, so that you can access the Google Drive. First thing. Second is you need to have A4 size paper, and this A4 size paper plain, that means no ruled A4 size paper, that means white A4 size paper, and you can use one side of the page only, and using blue or black ballpoint ink. Means here it is preferable that you should write it in a blue or black ballpoint pen. Avoid using gel pens or ink pens. Now the next important thing is that you have to write your name, university registration number, and university roll number, etc. Subject paper, module, group, unit, date of examination, everything will be there. And each page of the answer script, how you have to write it, like when. And there is one more request, that you should have a Google means document scanner app. I'll say that you should download a document scanner app, and as well as you can have like অনলাইন পিডিএফ ফরম্যাট ইউ ক্যান মেক ইট, মানে পিডিএফ ফরম্যাট করতে পারবে এরকম একটা যদি নিয়ে নাও, কোনো অ্যাপ যদি আগে থেকে ডাউনলোড করে রাখো, দ্যাট উইল বি বেটার। সো এখানে মডিউল ওয়াইজ ইউ হ্যাভ টু সাবমিট দ্য আনসার স্ক্রিপ্ট। আর এখানে ক্লিয়ার কাট একটা ইনস্ট্রাকশনে বলা রয়েছে যে ইট শুড নট বি মোর দেন 25 MB। আরও একটা জিনিস বলা রয়েছে, তোমরা যদি এই বঙ্গবাসী কলেজের নোটিশটায় যাও, ইফ ইউ গো টু দেয়ার ইউ উইল ফাইন্ড ইট ইন দেয়ার ওয়েবসাইট, রাইট? নাও here if you first you have to write the date, like 1st October, then your registration number, and paper 5, so first date, then number of the paper, and then your full registration number dot pdf. And then you have to require this email this PDF file of the answer script to the specified email ID. So this is the something which were clear cut mentioned. In case of any difficulty, WhatsApp number will be there from the college website. You can interact with them also. So this is something, there might be chances that through WhatsApp number they're going to accept, I don't know, but this is something which is only available in Bongobashi College website. No other college website has given any kind of notification regarding this till now. But if we can think that this is the right procedure, then you need to prepare yourself accordingly. সো আগে থেকে নিজেকে তৈরি করে রাখা খুব বেটার। তো এখানে যেরকম যেরকম বলেছে সেরকম নিজেকে যদি প্রিপেয়ার করে রাখেন তাহলে বেটার। আর খাতা জমা দেওয়ার ব্যাপারটা, যেটা আমি বারবার করে বলতে চাইছি, যে নিড নট টু ওয়ারি অ্যাবাউট ইট, ইট ইজ দ্য রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অফ দ্য ইউনিভার্সিটি অ্যান্ড কলেজ। ওকে, সো with this I come to an end to this session. If you require, you can join Aspire Public Group. It's a group for professionals. So please do subscribe Soumya Nath YouTube channel. Thank you very much.